Before I had gone to law school, my grandmother was terribly injured in a car accident. We found out it was due to the carelessness of the other driver, and she lost her leg. She eventually hired an attorney who took good care of her, and that made a big impression on me. I love that I get the opportunity to do what that other attorney did for my grandmother, to really swoop in the worst moment of a person's life and tell them it's going to be okay, we're going to get you taken care of. One thing that makes my firm unique is that I take a criminal defense perspective in personal injury. I've worked over 12 years doing criminal defense cases, and I expect things to go to trial. So when a person calls me and says, I was just in a car accident, I start thinking immediately, let's get witness statements, let's find the cameras, let's start preparing the evidence. And I think that that distinguishes me from other firms who only look at trial as a last alternative when the insurance company won't settle.
Me and my husband were on our way to work. I was on American Way in Perkins when a lady just T-boned us. I sustained neck and back injuries where I couldn't work or take baths or do even household chores. I was with a bigger firm for 4 years. They gave me the runaround a lot, never heard anything from them. I ended up finding Jeff, and within as little as 8 months, he got my settlement back. He was very friendly, he was very firm. He put me at ease on a lot of things. I'm just grateful for him. I wouldn't have caught up on any bills if it wasn't for him and his team. I wouldn't have a brand new car if it wasn't for him and his team. So I love Jeff.
I manage rehab and flip properties. As I was pulling up to one of my properties, I got rear-ended, and it was a hit-and-run situation. I suffered from headaches, I had whiplash, and just some back problems. My business came to a standstill. By working with Jeff and his team, I was able to get the treatment that I needed and be able to take care of my family. Jeff and his team were honest, confident, and aggressive. I would and have recommended Jeff and his team to many other people.
When someone hires me, I'm the attorney that will stand before the jury to get them justice. I take an aggressive, prepared approach to trial. I make sure that the other side and the jury and the judge know that we've come prepared for battle. If you've suffered an injury, contact the law office of J. Jeffrey Lee for a personalized approach with an attorney that's compassionate, experienced, and not afraid to be aggressive.